We have a brand new NFT concept that is coming to life. We have a pre-sale that is coming up on March the 17th at a 20% discount. Not only that, but the public sale is going to be April the 2nd. This NFT collection is called Hello, My Meta Name Is. This gives you the opportunity to put your name into the metaverse. Welcome back, Crypto Farm community. My name is Jordan, and speaking of my name, if I want to put my name into the metaverse, this is my opportunity. Can you imagine how many people have the same name as me? Their names are Jordan. That means that if I purchase this NFT, that no one else can take my name. No one else can take my name and put it into the metaverse except for me. So I would have to sell it to them at a high price. If we take a look, you guys can see that they currently have a little bit over 1,900 followers. Looks like we are going to go ahead and follow. Let's go ahead and dive down into their first tweet real quick, and then we will take a look at the website. So it states March 17th is the pre-sale, 20% off. Your only chance to buy a piece of history. I think I like this, you guys. I really like this concept. Let's go ahead and dive down into the website here. You guys can see that right now. If you'd like to, you're more than welcome to take a look at OpenSea. We'll take a look at it here in just a few moments, but if we go ahead and scroll down, you guys will get a better understanding of Hello, My Name Is Meta. It says my meta name is. You're the only chance to buy a piece of history. Put your name in the metaverse. Pre-sale, as stated, is going to be on March the 17th, and the public sale is going to be April the 2nd. So for this project, what is the vision? Well, the project vision for Hello, My Meta Name Is, it is built on blockchain technology. One of the most exciting aspects of this technology is that it allows extensible designs and development, like putting your name on an NFT into the metaverse. So basically, if an idea is proven, people can easily build on it. As experienced developers, we will work hard to continuously develop and quickly achieve goals of the roadmap as you stake your NFT in the metaverse to earn some passive income. We also created the Give Back to the Community program in order to show our appreciation towards the people supporting us in this amazing project. Let's go ahead and scroll down a little bit further. So the idea behind Hello, My Meta Name Is. Hello, My Meta Name Is a project that was developed by a talented team of cryptocurrency specialists with various skills such as blockchain, business development, and marketing. The ultimate goal is to give everyone a chance to put their name in the metaverse in order to be part of the story. Hello, My Meta Name Is can be bought, sold, traded, and soon updated to customize with your name on it. Fans and collectors can put their claim into a new and collaborative world of collecting. This is definitely a new concept, you guys. Get a look at this. Let's go. So it states that the Give Back to the Community program, to stand out and thank our community, we have set up a program to give the chance to win twice the purchase price of your NFT in Ethereum while maintaining it with the total transparency of the program on all of our social networks. Up to 1 in 100 chances as first-time buyer to double your investment while keeping your NFT. So this provides an opportunity to make your money back, ladies and gentlemen. If we go ahead and scroll down a little bit further, it does state that here is how the program works. Well, I would definitely love to hear it. So the first 100 Hello, My Meta Name Is NFTs sold, a drawing giving one owner the opportunity to double what was invested in the ETH on his wallet. Pretty good deal. First 250 Hello, My Name Is NFTs sold, a drawing giving one owner the opportunity to double what was invested in Ethereum on his wallet, and the first buyers are also eligible for this drawing. First 500 Hello, My Meta Name Is NFTs sold, a draw giving one owner the opportunity to double what he was invested in his wallet. The first buyers are also eligible for this drawing. Then the first 1,000 Hello, My Meta Name Is NFTs sold, giving a one owner the opportunity to double what was invested in his ETH wallet. The first buyers are also eligible for this drawing. So it seems like they all are the same exact thing. So I imagine these other ones are probably the same. Yeah, it looks like they are all the same. So all the way up to 2,500, 5,000, and then obviously the sold out. So they provide you an opportunity basically to double what was invested in Ethereum on your wallet. So I guess that's all we got here for how the program works. If we go and take a look at the roadmap, March 17th, pre-sale, 20% discount. You guys be ready for that. Launching of the Give Back to the Community program, so opportunity to make your money back. Marketing campaign, and we got the public sale on April 2nd, official launch of the public sale at a regular price, and we got the marketing campaign. Let's see, we got April 12th. Hello, my meta name is starting development of the NFT cross-chain bridge in order to allow the use, staking, selling, or holding of your investment on the blockchain platform you prefer. More details to come in order to announce which blockchain metaverse will be compatible. And we got marketing campaign. First 2023 quarter Discord server. I'm surprised they actually don't have that now. So they're waiting about a whole year. Compatible metaverses and partnership announcements. And we have customize your name on your hello meta name is NFT. Sticker tag release announcement. Wow, that's going to be a whole year before you can put your name on here. And then we got the second quarter release, the cross-chain NFT bridge. We got launching the staking your NFT in the metaverse for rewards program. We got the DAO program for the community announcement. And for now on to infinity. Enjoy being part of the history and keep your name in the metaverse. Looks like they got a little catalog here. It says, welcome to the hello, my name, meta name is NFT catalog, ready to help you put your name into the metaverse. Hello, my meta name is launched in 2022 and is based on the Ethereum Polygon blockchain. For a greater compatibility and choice of metaverses as well, or as specified in the roadmap, we plan to create an NFT cross-chain bridge, allowing owners to choose between various blockchain platforms to sell, stake, hodl their NFTs. We got collection types and rarities. So it looks like we got ones that are here. It says common, then we got uncommon, and then we have semi-rare. You guys can see that they actually have different styles here, right? Different styles, different colors, different wordings. If we go down a little bit further, so that actually provides the quantity of how many there are. And then we have the ones that are rare, ultra rare, and then super limited edition. These also seem to have many different colors. Not only that, but the wording and everything. So there's a lot going on here whenever it comes to these NFTs, especially for the quantity. So quantity of common is 3,300. Then we got uncommon 2,750. Quantity of the semi-rare is 1,260. And we got quantity of rare 1,260, ultra rare 825, and then the special limited edition is only actually 5. So if you can, try to pick up one of those. So we can see that they currently have 60 country flags, 10 USA, 10 Germany, 10 China, 10 France, and 10 UK, and 10 Japan. 60 crypto logos. We got Solana, ADA, Ethereum, USDT, BTC, and BNB. 60 money currencies. Liver stirring, won, euro, ruble, dollars, won. We got emoji, we got demon and angel, cash lover, men, monkey, women, and we got poo. We got 60 for space, satellites, Envy, Mars, Earth, space, spaceship. We got arts. Got a lot of stuff going on here, guys, for this project. So it looks like these are considered actually as premium. So you have the opportunity to get which ones that you want. So it's pretty cool to see that. If we take a look at the team, you can see we got this person who's in charge of business development and marketing, chief technology officer, cryptography and blockchain engineer, and graphic designer. And let's see if we got anything else. We have frequent questions. So a lot of information down here. So anyways, if you guys are interested in this project, I would highly recommend that you be prepared for the launch. As I stated, the pre-sale is coming up on the 17th. We got the OpenSea. We got 10,000 items, currently one owner. Floor price seems to be 0.146 Ethereum. All right. Volume traded obviously is at 0 at this current moment, but you guys can see the name tags here. Okay. You guys can see the name tags that they currently have. So they'll provide a lot of opportunities, right? Which ones are rare, which ones aren't rare, which ones are special edition. So feel free to try and get on these when you have the opportunity. Okay. Let me know what you guys think about this project. Overall, I think it is a great opportunity to put your name into the metaverse. However, for everything that they have to offer, it seems like it's going to be a while before you can actually put your name onto your tag. Not only that, but the Discord, it seems like it's going to be about a whole year before they get that out. So we need to build a community, and I would say that they need to get that done ASAP. And then also for the giveaways, or how the program works, it seems like it's just the same thing for every single time something sells out, for someone to possibly double their investment, which is good, but I figured that there'd be a lot more perks. But anyways, leave some comments down below. Tell us how you guys feel about Hello, My Meta Name Is. And just, yeah, thank you guys so much for being here. You guys have a great day, and ciao.